Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the apps section, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. And as you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and that's all. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.